This can be done with a combined action through both of your hands. One hand gently wrap the anterior part of the pelvis, okay. The other hand is in contact, the palm of your hand is in contact with all the tissue on the opposite side to your position, okay, of the spine. So, and the movement is a well-coordinated movement between the left hand and the right hand. So, the movement is this, so pulling the pelvis towards you, okay, and the right hand pushing down toward the back. And you can do this at different level. So lower spine, lumbar spine, in the middle part, and the upper part. And this action can go simply on the tissue, soft tissue, if your pressure is not too deep, okay. You can go to a deeper tissues, arriving on the spine, or you can act more on the spine by improving the pressure that you apply. Okay. But again, the action is always like on all the quadrant from the top layer to the more deeper layers.